Sup guys, in this video we shall look into understanding what does data structures in general mean and how data structures are being implemented in Python. Okay, and the regular or general classification of it. Alright, so without any delay, let's get in. So, what is a data structure? A data structure is nothing but a collection of data, which means, for example, let us say you have a variable, alright, let us say a, and this variable alone is referring to a collection of values. Alright, like this, let us say. This variable a, just one variable, is referring to a collection of values. So, this type of notation, this type of handling data is called as a data structure. This is a collection of data, right? So this is called as a data structure. So like the structure name came because you can do these kinds of manipulations or this kind of storage in different ways, in different ways, so which is why they have called it as a data structure, like a way of doing a particular thing, of handling some data. All right, so now, yes, so a data structure is nothing but a collection or a group of data being referred by a single variable. All right, now data structures in Python are classified into two types, called as 1. Mutable, 2. Immutable. Alright, now let us see what does the terms mean. What does mutable and immutable mean? For example, okay, so let us assume this is a data structure that we have created. Now, if we are able to add, for example, in the same data structure, if we are able to add another value called, say, 6, like this, then we say that this data structure is mutable. Alright, if we are able to add a new value to an existing data structure, then we say it mutable. Not just add, if you are able to even delete a value, all right, even if we are able to even delete a value, then we call it a mutable data structure. All right, if we are not able to do so, understand, if we are not able to add a value or remove a value from a data structure, then we call such a data structure as a immutable type. For example, let us say that we cannot do this modification to this data structure. We had 5, right? Yes. Right. So if we want to add a value to this data structure, if we can do only a reassignment to a new data structure, alright, then we call such a data structure as an immutable type, which means the existing data structure is not getting modified, but instead a new data structure is being created. Alright, a new data structure is being created. Existing one is not being modified with a value, an additional value in it, and the additional value can be anywhere since you are creating a new value. Alright, yes, this is what mutable and immutable means. If you are able to expand this data structure itself, then it is called as a mutable data structure. If you are not able to do so and create another variable, another data structure with the additional or removed values, with some new values, then that kind of data structure is called as a immutable data structure. Alright, so we have different kinds of mutable types in Python. One is lists, and lists take square brackets, rather lists are denoted by square brackets, and dictionaries are denoted by flower brackets or curly brackets. But the basic difference, there is one more data structure that take the same flower brackets as notation, called as sets. The difference is, here in dictionaries, the elements of a dictionary are something is to something format. So what are they? We'll look into that in an exclusive video about dictionaries. Alright, so if in curly brackets there is anything in this format, like something is to something, then that data structure is a dictionary. In the same flower brackets, if you have just comma separated values, alright, then that is a set. Now the immutable types in Python. First thing is called as tuple. Alright, they take regular parenthesis, they are denoted by regular parenthesis. And the other immutable type of data structure is strings. I get often confused whether to use whether to discuss strings in data structures or data types, because we have already seen about strings in data types as well. The only reason, because strings are nothing but again a collection of data within quotes. Isn't that so? Yeah, that is why. And tuples and strings are not mutable. If you want to add a value to a tuple, all you can do is create a new tuple. If you want to remove a value from a tuple as well, you have to create a new tuple. And same is the case with strings as well. Alright, so yeah, with this we are closing this session. In the next sessions we shall look into each and every data structure in detail with a dedicated video for each data structure. Thank you.